Hello and welcome to 10 Minutes Paper. Today we're looking at a fascinating paper that explores the world of electric bacteria and their potential applications in creating living electronics. These unique microbes have the ability to transport electrons outside their cells, and researchers are now figuring out how to harness this capability for various futuristic technologies. Background: most life forms, including humans, require oxygen for cellular respiration, the process of converting nutrients into energy. However, some bacteria have evolved alternative respiration strategies that don't involve oxygen. Instead of using oxygen as the final electron acceptor, they can breathe metals like iron or manganese. The discovery of these electric bacteria in the 1980s by researchers like Ken Nielsen and Derek Lovely was a game changer. It overturned the assumption that the electron-accepting molecule had to be soluble and travel inside the cell. These bacteria actually export their electrons outside to insoluble minerals. How it works. So how do electric bacteria pull off this neat trick? They produce special proteins called multiheme cytochromes that contain ion centers. Electrons can basically hop from one ion center to the next via a process called electron tunneling. Long chains of these proteins allow electrons to travel surprising distances up to many microns. This ability isn't just limited to individual cells either. Electrons can move through entire multicellular communities and biofilms in this relay fashion from cell to cell. Applications. The initial excitement around electric bacteria was simply understanding this novel respiration strategy. But researchers soon realized the potential applications, like using the bacteria to build biobatteries or fuel cells by providing them with electrodes instead of minerals. Then came the idea of reversing the process, injecting electricity into the cells to drive reactions like reducing carbon dioxide into fuels. It's a prime example of how basic research can lead to game-changing ideas down the line. Living electronics. And that brings us to the vision outlined in this paper by Moel Nagar at USC, the concept of living electronics that combines the strengths of traditional electronics with the unique capabilities of biology. Cells are incredibly energy efficient, great at information processing, decision-making, and sensing molecules. Electric bacteria offer a way to interface this biological computation and sensing with conventional electronics using electron transfer. Nagar's team has been patterning and precisely positioning these bacteria on surfaces using synthetic biology tools like optogenetics. This allows controlling electron transport, similar to semiconductor doping. The goal is to essentially build biological versions of electronic components like transistors using the bacteria. Conclusion. From their humble beginnings in lake sediments, electric bacteria have captivated scientists and opened up a new field at the intersection of electronics and biology. The potential to create living electronics that marry the strengths of both worlds is an exciting frontier. Who knows what amazing bio-hybrid technologies may emerge by tapping into the ancient electrochemical talents of these remarkable microbes. Thanks for watching. The link of the paper is given in the video description. See you next time on 10 Minutes Paper. Until then, stay curious.